This video is an installation video for iBoard running boards for 2019 and up RAM 1500s. Here you can see the hardware that's included and the hardware packaging and the running board itself. First, we're going to start by installing the rear driver side bracket onto the truck body using washers and lock nuts that are provided. With the washers and lock nuts started onto the threads, we can loosely tighten them to get the bracket into position. Next, the driver's side center bracket can be installed in the same fashion with washers and lock nuts. Again, we will loosely tighten the lock nuts onto the bracket to get the bracket into position. Finally, we can install the front driver's side bracket and use the washers and lock nuts again, and we'll keep this loosely tightened until we install the running board onto the truck. Next, we can slide the 6 T-bolts into the grooves on the back of the running board. These T-bolts will hold the running board onto the brackets, so we're going to need 6 T-bolts, 2 for each bracket. With these 6 T-bolts slid into the running board, we can now place the running board onto the brackets. We can place the T-bolts into the slots that are available in the brackets, and this is a demonstration of how the assembly is going to look. We're going to have the T-bolts in the brackets and then washers and lock nuts to secure the running board to the brackets. With the running board onto the brackets, you can see that we might have to move the T-bolts around and then we can fasten them. We're going to keep them loose until we are ready to final tighten everything. With all the hardware loose, we can adjust the running board on the truck and get it into the correct position that we want, and then we can final tighten all 3 sets of bracket and the hardware connecting the brackets to the running board. With the bracket hardware and the running board hardware final tightened, we can see the finished product here.